is Jashn. I'm 7 years old, and today I'm going to showcase a scene in which Santa is going to be delivering presents. Now, how my family celebrates Christmas is on the 24th of December, Santa drops some presents into our chimney while we're sleeping. So, and if you were not nice, then you'd get a bag of coal on Christmas when you wake up in the Christmas morning. But these two kids in each of these houses got presents because they were nice all year around, and each key you press, for example, let's start. So you press space key, takes you to the tip, you see? They're all together. And you press 1, Santa comes down with the first gift from behind.
Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho.
So you'd say that, and then when you're done, he's gonna come up to the tip in the same costume, then he'll come down like that. Then for 3, the whole thing, except this gift, is gonna come up here. You can see that. Then for 4, this is gonna come down with this, while this comes from behind. So this is gonna come like that. And then for 5, Santa's gonna come back in the same thing like the other one. And then for 6,